Pala, it's your duty time. The break time has finished. Start putting and transferring cargo from the stockroom Alpha to stockroom Charlie.
Okay, sir. Copy, sir. Hello, security guard. This is Mr. Palak, the worker of Port Detect. I found an unattended package in a restricted area near in the staff room. It looks of suspicious. Please advise.
Over. Understood. Stay at safe distance. I will assess the situation. Over. Sir, this is the security guard of Retic Port. A dock worker discovered a suspicious package in a restricted area near at Stockroom Alpha. I have assessed the situation and it appears unattended and unusual. Requesting further instructions. Over.
Acknowledge. Maintain a perimeter around the area. Ensure no one approaches. I will notify law enforcement.
Copy, sir. Sir, the area has been secured. Over.
Okay. I will call the law enforcement. Hello. This is PFSO Garbes from Retake 4. The suspicious package has been discovered in a restricted area near at Stockroom Alpha. Security has secured the area, but we need immediate assistance to evaluate the threat. Please respond.
Knowledge. We are en route to the location. Advise security to keep person clear and avoid handling the package.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Wait here. I will assist the situation. Just bring your scanner.
Okay, sir.
The packaging require further investigation, maintaining security protocols, including possible evacuation. Please ensure all personnel follow safety measures.
Law enforcement has taken over. Follow their instruction and keep personnel at a safe distance until further notice.
Packages has been assessed. It was known threatening normal operation may resume once clearance is given.
Okay, sir. Situation resolved. Thank you for your cooperation. Security measures will be reviewed to prevent future incidents.
Thank you, officer.